Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Takeya Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker is a specialized tool designed for those who want to produce smooth and low-acid coffee within their own homes. Cold brew coffee has seen a massive rise in popularity because the brewing method relies on time rather than heat, which changes the chemical composition of the final beverage. This specific model from Takeya is a 1-quart pitcher that simplifies the entire process into a single container. Instead of needing separate filters, pots, and storage carafes, this device handles the steeping, straining, and storage all at once. It is designed to create approximately 4 servings of coffee, which can be enjoyed as a concentrate or diluted to preference. The core idea behind this product is to provide a user-friendly experience that removes the mess and complexity often associated with making cold brew. By focusing on a streamlined design, it allows anyone to start a batch in the evening and have fresh coffee ready by the next morning. It functions as both the brewing vessel and the storage container, eliminating the need for multiple pots or messy straining processes. By utilizing immersion brewing, it allows the coffee grounds to sit in cold water for an extended period, which results in a different chemical profile than heat-extracted coffee. This method is generally praised for highlighting chocolatey or nutty notes while minimizing the bitterness often found in a standard drip machine. When examining the build and design of the Takeya Cold Brew Maker, the choice of materials is a primary focus. It is constructed from Tritan plastic, which is a high-grade BPA-free polymer. This material is particularly well suited for kitchenware because it combines the clarity of glass with the impact resistance of plastic. It is much less likely to crack or shatter if it is accidentally dropped on a hard kitchen floor or bumped against a counter. Additionally, Tritan is known for being stain-resistant and odor-resistant. This is a critical feature for coffee equipment because coffee oils can be quite stubborn and can leave behind a stale smell in lower-quality plastics. The pitcher also features a non-slip silicone handle that is ergonomically shaped. This handle provides a secure grip, which is helpful when the pitcher is full and heavy or when moisture has built up on the outside from being in the refrigerator. The lid is another key design element, featuring a high-quality silicone gasket that creates an airtight and leak-proof seal. This allows the pitcher to be stored upright or on its side without any worry of spills. The filter is a fine mesh cylindrical core that screws directly into the lid, ensuring that it stays submerged in the center of the water for even extraction. The mesh itself is incredibly fine, designed to keep even the smallest coffee particles contained within the core. The way this coffee maker performs is tied directly to the immersion brewing method. Because the coffee grounds are fully submerged in cold water for an extended period, usually between 12 and 24 hours, the resulting flavor is much milder than traditional hot coffee. This matters because heat acts as a catalyst that extracts certain tannins and acids that can give coffee a bitter or burnt aftertaste. By removing heat from the equation, the Takeya maker highlights the natural sweetness and subtle notes of the coffee beans. This makes it an excellent choice for people who typically find coffee hard on their stomachs or those who enjoy drinking their coffee black without added sugar or cream. The airtight lid plays a vital role in performance as well by keeping the coffee fresh for a significantly longer time than other methods. While a standard pot of coffee might start to taste stale after just an hour, the cold brew made in this pitcher can stay fresh in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. This efficiency means a person can spend 10 minutes preparing a batch on a Sunday and have their morning caffeine sorted for the entire work week. The fine mesh filter is also quite effective at capturing most of the grounds, resulting in a clean cup of coffee with very little grit. Cleaning is another performance factor where this unit excels, as all the components are dishwasher-safe. This reduces the friction of daily use, making it more likely that a person will continue using the device long-term. This product is best suited for a variety of different users, ranging from the budget-conscious to those with limited kitchen space. At a price point of around $25, it is an affordable alternative to buying daily cups of cold brew from a coffee shop, which can quickly become an expensive habit. It is also an ideal solution for people who live in smaller spaces, such as apartments or dorm rooms, because its slim profile is designed to fit perfectly into a refrigerator door. For individuals who are new to the world of home brewing, this device offers a very low barrier to entry. There are no complicated buttons to push or precise temperatures to maintain. It is as simple as filling the filter and adding water. However, it is important to note that because this is a 1-quart model, it is most appropriate for single users or households with only 1 or 2 coffee drinkers. Those who need to serve a larger family or who drink multiple large cups a day might find themselves needing to brew new batches very frequently. It is also a great fit for people who want a durable, travel-friendly option, as the shatterproof construction makes it much safer to take on a camping trip or to the office than a glass carafe. Furthermore, it appeals to those who prefer to customize their caffeine intake, as the concentrate can be diluted with water, milk, or ice to suit individual tastes. In conclusion, the Takeya Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker provides a balanced mix of durability, ease of use, and effective brewing. It takes the guesswork out of making cold brew and offers a resilient alternative to more fragile glass equipment. While the capacity is modest, the quality of the airtight seal and the convenience of the dishwasher-safe components make it a highly practical addition to a morning routine. It allows for a consistent and smooth coffee experience that can save both time and money over the long term. The mesh filter is designed with such a fine weave that it can handle various types of coffee grinds, although a coarse grind is generally recommended for the best results. This fine mesh is crucial because it prevents the small particles from escaping into the water, which would otherwise result in a muddy or cloudy drink. When the brewing time is up, the filter can be easily removed by unscrewing it from the lid. For those who prefer hand washing, the wide opening of the pitcher makes it easy to reach inside with a sponge. This level of accessibility ensures that no old coffee residue builds up, maintaining the purity of the flavor for every new batch. For anyone looking for a straightforward way to enjoy chilled coffee at home, this pitcher is a reliable and well-designed option that delivers exactly what it promises without unnecessary complexity. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!